I was looking at my local meteorologist's his Twitter, and he said that out of the, my entire area is under some sort of chance of severe weather. But he said out of the chances, our area specifically is in the highest risk. So it's not fun at all. I'm a little nervous, but it's gonna be okay. We're gonna be fine. So yeah. Let's see. Don't think there's any more updates right now. So if there is any more updates, like a watch or something like that, I will obviously make a video and let you guys know because that's what I always do. So anyways, see you guys for another update. Yeah, I think that's it. See ya!